Yes. Well, mate, there's two trusts.
Yeah, right, okay.
Oh, I get a bit of charge in my phone.
Yeah. Right, okay, so John,
Hang on, let it come a bit closer.
Come on, quick.
3, 2, 1. That's it.
Hello. Here we are again.
That's it. Lovely.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Well done.
Yes. Don't want
Right.
to keep you. You're going to be sitting down or standing up.
Hang out, man.
Steve, we've got questions that maybe didn't get brought up yesterday, and that we can bring up today. And the idea of
itself, where they have started, is where the winch is. Because right next to the minor ferrum, they opened a tunnel where the
Alright then guys, now once again, welcome to Llechwedd. You're on the slate manning adventure, so we've already done all the welcoming things. This part of the tour, we're going to see how things were done back in the Victorian times. Oh, it's... Can anybody tell me, what do you think this rock here is called? I can give you a clue. Think where we are today.
Slate.
Good, well done, sir. Well done. Yeah, I know everybody thinks it's a trick question.
Perhaps I may be permitted to tell the tale with a little more accuracy.
Now look at these steps. These are the original steps that would take the miners.
You are still down here, aren't you, boys?
Howell Jones, is that you? Darkness getting the better of you again, is it?
Now, this is known as the cabin, and the cabin is where they would spend the lunchtime. Lunchtime being a very precious time of the day. What are they going to do at the end of that fuse? They're going to light it, yeah. They're going to have a cup of tea next, are they? No chance. They want to get out the way. Can you imagine? Let's imagine. The rock will look over there and he lights his fuse. He gets down as quickly as he can, in total darkness practically, using chains to get down, and he runs to the safety of the tunnel. As soon as he's there, big explosion. There. Every now and then, what they would then do is drill a hole horizontal into the pillar. And they would hammer in metal bars and they would fix these chains earlier on in the life of the chain, but they might not use them. But they would know, as that chamber becomes bigger and bigger, they would then need to rely on these chains. And the way they would use the chains is they'd hold on tight. They'd keep their feet flat against the rock and they'd be able to climb quite easily. Now if they wanted to work at a certain area, they'd put the chain around their leg like so, and then they'd be able to work on the rock face. First of all, just the grain. Okay, sir. Do you want to have a little tap now? A little harder. Okay, a little bit harder than that. When I tell you to. Okay, now. Good, that's better. See, that's our mark. See how we split that? Now we go to the centre and we do it again. Okay, sir. Good, and again. Good. Perfect. First breath of air that's had in 450 million years. Isn't that amazing?
miss the opportunity just to share with F&WHR and Welsh Highland Railway supporters and friends this image. We're working here today in Boston Lodge simply because we needed to take some images for our lottery funded project. The works is now closed as we've closed down because of the COVID virus. Here in the erecting shop sits Merthin Emrys, built here in 1879, still in the same place, never left Wales. And I'd noticed that we often see that atmosphere in the loco shed with the shaft of sunlight coming through the roof. We won't be seeing that for a few months while this virus is affecting us and we've all got to go home, but we thought we'd just catch that last image of Merthin Emrys here and look forward to the day when we can open those shed doors again and get her in steam once more. I'm sure you've all seen our appeal for support on our website. I hope this will just remind you to look at our website again and perhaps dig deep and give us your help. Thank you.